Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with the unboxing and enveloping of the December's Stickii Cute subscription. Now this is a bit late because obviously with Royal Mail delays it's took a while to get here, so let's delve in. So this year is the Chinese New Year of the Rabbit, so this is themed all around rabbits, and it's called Year of the Bunbun, which I thought was quite cute. So as always, we've got this little storage bit here where you take this out, and I'm going to do it so you know, and you literally stick this on the corner here, so when I file it away in my A5 ring binder, I can flick through and I know what's what. So by the looks of this, I haven't actually looked at everything. I avoided the sneaks. This is quite cute. I like the fact that this is branded. You've got some little paper rabbits in here. These are really cute. Let's put that off to the side. These are stickers. As you can see, there is a shine on the back there if I go like that. These are really nice. They're foiled as well. They're quite big. They are super cute. So there's 5 of those. Then we have this gorgeous little notepad, which is I can't even get it out, but is perfect for upcoming St. Patrick's Day in March. That's really nice. I really like the theme and the colour of that. You get quite a bit in there as well. And then in the back pocket, as always, you get your stickers. And it looks like we have an extra thing this month. So that's cute. This is a rabbit envelope. That's really nice. That's really cute. I don't know what I'd use it for. It kind of matches those, but yeah. So first up we have this sticker sheet from little.yeah on Instagram. This is really super cute. I like these. Using the egg as like a duvet cover. And the whale. He's super cute. I like those. Then we have a sheet which is by the Stickii Club guys themselves, and it's all food related with all rabbits and cherries and cakes, ice cream. Yeah, this is probably one of my favourite sheets, definitely. Then we have, well, it's not transparent, but the background's transparent, so they're die cutted stickers from UU_dream. I quite like this artist. I think this person is very talented, so I'm glad to see these back in the Stickii subscription. Then we have Foxy CS Cart. There's probably an easy way to say that, but I'm not going to ruin it. Now, by the look of this matches the notepad, and it does, because that's the book and that's the rabbit. I really like those. And then it's got green foil, which is nice. That's different. Right, I'll do those ones last because they're see-through. Then we have see, I just murder everything. I'm not even going to pronounce that. You can see that yourself there. This is really nice. I like the flowers. And these could be used as bath bombs as well. Not quite sure what they're supposed to be. Maybe eggs of some sort. I don't know. But yeah, I really like those. Then we have 2 sheets of see-through ones. Now the first one we have has a a glittery hollow sparkle overlay on, which I'm not actually keen on these kinds of stickers because I don't walk around with my planner going like this all the time, so I can take or leave it. But yeah, they're cute. I like the little cakes. Not quite sure on the characters on this one, but we'll see. And last but not least, we have this sheet, which is a sheet that I will probably destash because, again, I won't use this type because it is raised. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah, you can. They are like little bubble epoxy stickers. No good for planning, I'm afraid. So, yeah. They're still cute, though. This is a pepper. Lettuce leaf maybe, and then these are all like loaves of bunnies, so they are cute. So this month we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets of stickers, the 5 bunnies, the envelope, and then the cute Momo pad. And that was all for $12 plus shipping, which to the UK was $3. you can save $5 off your first subscription with Stickii by using the code Strudels Doodles. No, I'm lying, or am I? Hang on. Let's check. I can never remember. I've got so many affiliate codes, I can never ever remember them all. Yeah, it's Strudels Doodles. You get $5 off your first shipment. So that'll take your subscription down to $7 plus your shipping. And shipping starts at $1 and $1 and goes up to $3. Please bear in mind that these sheets retail at $3 upwards. So it is a fantastic saving. And each month is a different thing. Don't ask me what January's is, because I can't remember. But when I come to show you January's, I have 2 subscriptions to show you, because I've actually added on the pup subscription this month too, because I really like the look of that. So until then, have a great week and I will see you soon. Bye.